blessed platform for the children to show their talents and discover the best within. Every activities of the school would always help the child to walk one step further in finding best of talents a child is blessed with. On this pleasant morning, we are honored to have amidst Reverend Father Joseph Mascarenhas, correspondent of St. Anne English Medium School, office bearers and members of All Christian Bank Employers Association, High School Headmistress Mrs. Hemavati, Primary Headmistress Mrs. Irene Meneges, all my dear colleagues and dear students. A very good morning to you all. Every morning is a surprise and every sunshine is a challenge and each day is a gift. Let us invoke God's blessings on all of us through the prayer song by our students.
दुनिया के लोगों ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो। ये दुनिया के लोगों ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो। याद रखो कि वही एक खुदा है, हमको ये जीवन उसी ने दिया है, उस चारगाह से हम सब यहाँ आए, हम दो सना के हम गीत गाए, रब का तुम शुक्र करो, ऊंची आवाज करो, गाओ खुशी के गीत, उसका गुणगान करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो, इबादत करो उसकी, इबादत करो।
Now I request Mr. Audi Rego to address the gathering.
We have come from an association called All Bank Christian Employees Association with an intention to give a little help to the students who are not able to pay their fees. We could not give a large amount, but we have given a small amount out of our love and affection to this school. We were also like small students like you, slowly grown up. We studied well, we got a good job, well settled in life, and we are something in the society today. Same thing you should have. Nothing very complicated. Study well, come up in life, you'll definitely get a good job, then slowly help to the society. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಉಂಟಲ್ವಾ, ಮಾತು ಬಲ್ಲವನಿಗೆ ಜಗಳವಿಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಬಲ್ಲವನಿಗೆ ರೋಗವಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾತು ಬಲ್ಲವನಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇಯರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
Now I request our correspondent to enlighten the students by his words.
The special guest of today, Mr. Audi and Mr. Marcel and all the Christian Bank Employees Association members who are present here. I like to extend a hearty welcome to you, and especially I pray that God may bless you all, bless your good work. There are many associations in the world, especially the charitable ones. Those are the ones who take care of the needy ones, those who are suffering, because they have a tender and they have a heart full of love for others. They go out of themselves and reach out the needy without asking, even with asking. So this is one of the finest association that we have in Mangalore, a charitable one, what they have saved from their earnings, they distribute to the needy ones. Especially they have a mission to support the poor students, especially of rural area, like a school like us. So they are, as they expressed, they were employed in the banks, and not a big amount they get, like business people. But what they have saved from there, and they also what they have saved, they share with the less privileged ones. That's what, and God has blessed them, because what we give to others will go to God, and what to save among ourselves will nowhere they will benefit. So that's what is happening them. They have a tender heart, a lovable heart, a good heart towards others, and they too have shown great concern towards our school. As Mr. Benis, one of our well-wishers of this parish, requested them on behalf of us, and they have shown their goodwill, and they have, even earlier they have donated uniform for 25 students of our school, maybe 10 and 5 a few years ago. So not only they support to our school, but they support to other children also, the children of the school who are less privileged ones and needy ones. So they have also, not only they have given good amount, rupees 30,000 this year, and they have goodwill towards us, towards our school, and they have promised us better things later. But not only they have given that amount, but they wanted to come here to see our school, to see our children. This is the goodness we find in them. These are the schools we maintain, the average ones, even good ones, even especially of lower strata. They come here and get educated. So we give lots of concession in their fees, and so that nobody goes without education. Even if they say they make their hands totally, it's down, but still we don't leave them. We take them to our school, and we support them, and we would like to have them to study in our school. So we have all our good teachers. We have 17 teachers, staff members. We have around 400 children. We have from LKG to 10th standard. 400 children we have. So thanks a lot for showing your goodwill and goodness, and they all are grateful to you. We are grateful to you. We will not only pray with God for a good health, and also our children also to support our benefactors, our supporters. The children's prayer will reach to God, and they will surely their prayers will be heard by God, and they will get blessings.
जय हे कर्नाटक माते, जय सुंदर नदी वनಗಳ ನಾಡೆ, जय हे रस ऋषिಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ, जय ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, जय हे कर्नाटक ಮಾತೆ. ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ, ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ, ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಅವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಶಂಕರರ ಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ, ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪುಣ್ಯ, ಪಂಪಲ ಕುಡಿಪತಿ ಚೆನ್ನ, ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳಧಾಮ, ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯಾರಾಮ, ನಾನಕ ರಾಮಾನಂದ ಕಬೀರರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.